Okay, one more day, right? I really need to give you guys explanation about the rough country, so let's get that done. What's up guys, welcome to the vlog. Matt here as always. Thank you so much for watching. As I promised you in the last video, today we're gonna talk about why I chose rough country, and I have my reasons why, but we're gonna get there soon. Today I was supposed to get to show you guys my first oil change. First, I mean doing by myself, but as you guys can see, I got a lot of snow last night. I think we got about, I don't know, I would say 5 or 6 inches or less, between 4 and 5. Well, unfortunately the oil change has to wait a little bit more, but we're gonna get there, and I want to do by myself because I want to learn. Also, I need to drive to the gas station because I'm running out of gas. I don't want to run out of gas with the snowstorm that we are getting tonight. We're getting snow tomorrow night and probably another 4 times this week. So yeah, welcome to New Jersey. If you live in New Jersey, you know what I'm talking about. If you didn't watch my last video, we deleted the resonator on my truck to make sounds better. I don't know if you guys can see. Yeah, that pipe right there, we deleted, which was the resonator. But in other words, it's really hard to make the V6 Chevy Colorado sounds great without spending a lot of money. But the main reason why I did this, and to be honest, I'm happy with. I don't want anything too loud. I don't want to be super loud. We'll see, but for now, I think it's really good. I like the way this sounds. Because I have to drive to the gas station, it's a great opportunity for you guys to listen to it. So I'm taking you guys with me to the gas station, and then we're gonna talk about why I chose a rough country. So I hope you guys enjoy the sound of the V6 with a resonator deleted. So enjoy. Fill it up regular, please. Fill it up regular? Yeah. Well, you guys know here in Jersey, we don't pump our own gas. So I have somebody doing it. And that's when you spend a lot of money. Let's see how much it's gonna be. Everyone always asks me about how much I pay for gas. Right now I'm paying $2.35 and my tank is completely empty. Probably we will spend, let's get $45.
12 seconds later.
Alright. I told you about the oil change, so I need to get an oil change ASAP. I spent, I don't know if you guys will be able to see, $42.82. Well, it is what it is. Let's get back home and then I will explain what I have to explain. Okay, we just got back home. Almost $43 late. We got a full tank of gas. So, let me set up the camera there, and then we're gonna talk about rough country. Alright, so it's pretty cold here in Jersey, but since I got the lift kit, the most asked question I got was, why rough country? Why rough country? They have such a bad reputation. You know, you're spending your money in a rough country, and why rough country? First of all, we need to talk about like two different things here, and is I'm trying to build my truck in a budget, but that doesn't mean I'm not looking for quality. It's really hard when you're looking for something that you want to make sure that works properly. Normally you have to spend a lot of money on. And here's the thing I have learned in life in general. You don't need to suffer for something that others, they went through it. What I mean by that is I spoke with 4 different people that they are running a rough country in their Colorado. So I asked a bunch of questions, how long they are running those lift kits, and if they have any issues. You guys probably know that I'm looking at this lift kit for probably, I would say, good 3 or 4 months, and my conversation with those people, and if you are one of those people, don't want to say the names because you know I might forget somebody. It's not gonna be fair, but anyway, thank you so much for talking to me about rough country lift kit. If you know who you are, and they are running rough country for Chevy Colorados with no issues. I mean, can I be the bad luck guy and have issues? Yeah, of course. But I'm trying to do everything I can to avoid that. And one of the thing is, I mentioned to you guys that I was almost trying to do that by myself. But first of all, the weather in Jersey is so bad. I would need my driveway. I cannot do it in the garage, as you guys know. A lot of people ask me how I'm gonna fit the truck there. The garage is not for the truck, I'm saying that again, but not do that inside of my garage, right? I'm trying to look for a professional to do that. I'm taking every single precaution I can to make sure this lift kit is gonna look and drive good. That's my main point. But as I was saying, I did my research, and rough country was the best option for me right now because it was the cheapest one. Keep in mind, my truck is my daily driver, so I would drive a lot with that lift kit. I want to make sure that it's really the installation is right, everything is right, all the parts are right. And to be honest, I was looking, after that video I made to you guys, I was looking at the parts by myself and make sure, and everything seems to be really well built, and that's a plus for a rough country. Another thing is the customer service for rough country is very, very good. For everyone who I spoke with, they really said the rough country has a really, really good customer service, and that's a plus. When you're looking to buy something, you need to consider that. I think the main thing here why I went to rough country is, as you guys know, I don't make any money on YouTube, right? I don't make any, zero. I don't make anything. Everything I put on this truck, all the resource come from my daily job, my 9-to-5 job, and I have to save money, and I wasn't willing to make payments in anything I'm doing for this truck. So my advice for you is, if you are looking to build a truck or a car or whatever it is, try to make a plan and save money for it. My plan was always put wheels and tires in a lift kit, and I was saving money for a while. Fortunately, I don't create any revenue with my videos, but a lot of people think all my videos are creating some kind of revenue, which is not true. So I have to be really careful with my money, and that's I want to share that with you guys, because I know a lot of you guys are on the same page than me. You have a 9-to-5 job. Some of you guys get paid overtime, which I don't. So I have to, and I have to keep my life. I have a house to pay, I have bills to pay, I have everything that a normal person has to deal with. I do, and on top of that, I want to build my truck. So that goes down to, if you want to build your truck, save money, don't make any payments, don't put yourself in a bad situation just to build your truck. I'm trying to do that in a smart way, saving money all this type long. So, and to be honest, I had to cut a lot of expenses, a lot of things I like to do. I had to stop doing just because I want to do this building. And I think it's pretty clear now why I choose rough country, and I'm excited. I'm really excited. I think it's gonna be a challenge because a lot of people, dude, you guys have no idea how many messages I get. What are you doing? You got a rough country. Yeah, I did. I got a rough country. But another reason I almost forgot to say, it's because I want to eat as higher as possible. And as far as I know, rough country is the only one that you can get the 6 inches. Okay, 5.5 you can get from BDS, Matt. I know, I want a 6 inches because the wheels and tires I'm running, I don't want to take the risk to put a 5.5 and it's not gonna fit, it's gonna rub a lot, and I don't want to take that risk. All right, I try to explain myself as much as I can here because I just want to, you know, guys know the truth why I choose a rough country. Was a really hard decision. I will take the risk, and if somebody from rough country is watching this video, I really hope that this kit is gonna do great for my truck. It's not like a really cheap building. This truck is like worth 35 grand. I don't want to put anything bad, but I also don't want to spend a lot of money in a lift kit. So if I did that, I had to hold on other things like wheels and tires, and I have much more to do, much more, you know, a lot of things to come for this truck. Here's my thing that I wanted you to take from this video, right? If you're building your truck, think about all the options you have and consider how much you want to spend and consider what you really want. That's what it went down for me. It's budget, talking with people, kind of a mentorship, I would say, that they have, and if they have any issues, and the option. Unfortunately or fortunately, I don't know yet, rough country is the only one who offers the 6-inch lift, and that's what I'm going to, and that's what I'm gonna take you guys with me to find out if rough country is that bad or not. So we have to wait. Update on the wheels is gonna be here in 2 weeks, and I think I have the shop for install the lift kit. As I mentioned, I was thinking about to do that by myself, but I just don't want to take the risk. It's my daily driver. I need to make sure it's right, and I will try to record as much as I can because I think the truck has to be in the shop for 2 or 3 days. That's still up in the air, but I will try to show you guys as much as I can. All right, I hope you guys like it. A lot of talk today, but I really want to give you guys an explanation about rough country, just because I got a lot of questions and I try to answer as much as I can, but you know, I thought about making a video just because of that. And besides, the weather was horrible. I could not get anything done with the truck, so that was perfect. And again, if you're here for the first time, make sure to subscribe, and if you're not following me on Instagram, again, make sure you follow me on Instagram, dude. You are missing a lot, so make sure to follow me on Instagram. So I hope you guys enjoy. If you have any questions, leave your comment below. And again, I said that last video, all the links for everything I did to my truck, the stripe, the front grille, cold air intake, all the parts that you watch on my videos are on the link in the description below. If you don't find anything, shoot me a message or Instagram. I'll be happy to answer you guys. You know, if you want to do something special, work for it. Hustle, work it, work for it. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching. I hope to see you guys next video, and as always, don't forget, enjoy your life.